Hello and welcome to Webiclass again. In our previous lessons, we've seen that the verb is in the center of every sentence. We've seen how the verb is linked to the subject, the object, whether direct or indirect. Today we're moving one step further to prove that in a sentence, every word is linked to another word. In other words, no word is an island. For today's objective, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to prove that in a sentence, every word is linked to another word. No word stands alone. Look at this sentence. I found him in a garage on Sunday afternoon. Yes, Sunday and afternoon are linked because they work together, they move together. Afternoon is there to qualify Sunday. Afternoon is there to tell us the time on Sunday when I found him. In this sentence, do you know this story? Do you know this story? Again, this and story are linked. They walk hand in hand. Story is not complete without this. Can you imagine someone telling you, do you know story? You will stand there a bit a bit confused. What story? What is this person trying to tell me about story? Now, if you have the word this, for example, we have story qualified. We know the story we are talking about. There's an identity of the story. This story, not that one, not the one you heard yesterday. So, this works with story. Look at this question. Posing questions is one of the ways that an author posing and questions are walking hand in hand. They're working together with each other. Questions is not complete without posing, and posing is not complete without questions. Posing tells us something about questions, what we are doing with the questions, and questions also tells us what we are posing. An author needs something before it to qualify it. So here we decide to use the indefinite article "an." So we know that we're talking about not just author, any author, but an author whose identity is not defined. Could be this author, could be another author. Right. This is the way in which words are linked to other words in a sentence. I've just chosen a few words, but if you go back to the sentences we've seen, you can pick any two words there and you will find that they work together. Not just any two words, pick any word. You'll see that there is a word somewhere in the sentence that it works together with. Now, hold on for today's takeaway.
Today's takeaway. Make one sentence of your own. Show and explain how one word of your choice is related to another word.
You have been with Roger Olympio, your Webiclass teacher. Thanks for the lesson. Thanks for being very good students, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.